Maha. I am the delivery head of the Java-based projects at Aspire Systems. I handle around 20 customer projects, and I have a team of around 200 people. I basically own the overall project delivery excellence and revenue and cost management, and enhance operating efficiencies. And I also ensure that the project teams understand the customer product, business, domain, and technology. And I also make sure they comply with the organizational processes and standards. I am the project manager for the Novation project. Aspire has been working with Novation for the past 5 years, and I have started on this engagement right from pre-sales. And I have been working from the client location for the first 2 years of the engagement.
Hi, this is Nilkant. I've been working for the Novation for the past 30 months. Customer is good in planning projects very realistically, involving the development team as well as the testers into the estimation and releasing products successfully. At times we may require to stretch our efforts, but customer is good in understanding and situation and appreciating the team. They have good vision, like they are trying a lot of integrations, and they are trying to implement a lot of newer thoughts and solutions. This makes products live in the market and competent. I am proud that team here contributes significantly in making Novation products successful.
Hi, this is Ranjit. I have been with Novation for the past 36 months. One of the main reasons that Novation is happy with Aspire is that it is more process oriented. When Novation project kicked off, what we use is an agile based development model. This is mainly because we have to refine the product requirements on the go, deliver output, and demonstrate to the product owners periodically almost every sprint. After the first release, customers started giving more clear and definitive requirements. So we moved to a customized, rational, unified process which had more efficient estimation techniques. Now we have scenarios that are a combination of both these two processes, and we follow a process based upon the project needs. This flexibility helps project efficiency more than it being an overhead.
Hi, I am Nanda Gopal. I have recently joined Novation team. In a very short duration, I have been able to acquire a good knowledge on Novation production processes. This is mainly because Aspire and Novation maintains an exhaustive knowledge repository. Through my contribution, I am confident that I will become a valuable resource.
Hi, this is Shivranshi Mohan. I have been working around 28 months in this Novation project. In this project, we do a lot of developmental changes to satisfy our end user expectations. One of the best things about our customer is that they always appreciate the effort we put and understand the problems if any. I don't feel any difference between the team as the customer end and our team here because we work as a single unit. This is mainly due to the great communication on a daily basis, including a bi-weekly status meeting. Our customer even goes out of his way to give us business updates on a monthly basis, which gives us bigger picture about the projects. I feel very proud and happy to be a part of this wonderful team.
Hi, I am Vasudevan. I am working this project as a tester around 48 months. Usually developers don't like testers, but it's different in this team. We are all friends first. I am very happy to work for Novation because like me, they also give high priority to quality. In this project, we do the 4 rounds of testing for each release. This leads to a quality release every time. Also, we make sure that defect leakage to the production does not exceed more than 2 to 3% on average. The testing rounds include functional, regression as well as load testing. In order to reduce the testing time, we are planning to automate the regression test cases using behavior-driven development framework. The high-quality Novation products are being used in more than thousands of schools in US and have got good response from end users. This makes me feel very happy and proud.
This is Basudin from Novation team. This project is entirely from Linux domain. Happy to be part of this project.
Hi, I am Suresh Kumar. I have been working for Novation nearly 40 months. I am very excited to be a part of this successful team. I have worked a lot of challenging UI projects which improve the user experience. One of the best approach of Novation is that they aggressively get the feedbacks from the end users on their experience with our products. This feedback becomes the basis for the further enhancement to the products. We support all the major browsers like Firefox, Safari and IE and make sure of backward compatibility too. For this, we used JavaScript frameworks like jQuery, UI and Ajax Frameworks. I am very excited to be a part of this team.
Hi, I'm Arun. It's great to be here with Novation. I joined this wonderful team about 3 weeks ago. I'm very impressed by the features of the product like famous person, timeline, and providing students with a variety of information. Many training sessions have been conducted by the team members, which helped me to gain real-time understanding on the product's workflow. Also, I would like to mention through my initiatives and support from the team members, have been able to come up to speed in very short time. So thank you.
Hi, I'm Johnson. I have been working for Novation more than 48 months. Novation products are technically very rich and use some best technology available today. This has enabled me to explore this technology and come up with better solutions to improve the products. For example, recently I got the opportunity to research various database connection library in order to come up with the most scalable and performant library. This led our products become more robust and performant. I am also very passionate about mentoring and guiding my teammates in order to help them to reach their potential.
Hi, I am Deepthi. I have been working with the Novation project for the last 36 months. One of the best aspects of Novation is that they continuously get feedback from their current customers and give a lot of demos to them in order to understand what their requirements are. Not only the customers, they get a lot of feedback from the Aspire team also in order to make their products much better. This aspect of theirs helps the products to become in sync with the market requirements. We at Aspire genuinely care about making the end user experience very good by making the products better all the time. In the same spirit, recently we executed a project in which we made the alignment process of content to the national and state standards much better. This gives the teachers a very good learning experience.
Hi, I'm Abhinya. I have been working in this Novation project for the past 36 months, which has been a wonderful experience for me. In my team, like each and every individual is self-motivated and they put their heart and soul into every line of code they write. My current project is making our products compliant with the Learning Tools Interoperability Standards provided by IMS Global Consortium. With the release of this current project, we'll be able to seamlessly integrate with many third parties easily and thereby render sophisticated services to the end users. I'm really excited about this project release and looking forward to it.
Hi, I'm Dibya Lochan, working for Novation project for the last 35 months. By working on many projects for Novation, I got the opportunity to work on every aspect of software development lifecycle process, like estimation, design, development, deployment, and testing. For every project, we are involved a lot of discussion and brainstorming session to come up with the best solution to address concerns and impediments at the earliest. We handle challenges using proper planning, detailed subtasking, peer discussion and reviews. This helps us to deliver a quality product every time. So I'm very glad to work with this team and with Novation.
Hi, I'm Sendil. I have been working with Novation for the past 3 years. The good thing about Novation is that they don't just give requirements to the developers. They give the business insights beyond requirements, which helps the developers to understand the real business impacts and the business problem that you're facing in the market, and the developers will be able to give or provide good design solutions. The other good thing about Novation is that they gave the developers the freedom of thoughts, which helps the developers to be more cautious while developing. The other thing is like when developers faces a problem, they be more innovative and they will be bringing up solutions and they get it work. When developers faces a problem, they propose a lot of solutions from which the best is picked. Even though I got a lot of challenges, I have been given a lot of opportunities to learn many things in this project. I'm really excited to work with Novation.
Hi, I'm Bipin Sahu, working for Novation more than 18 months. I'm here very happy to be a part of this team, which is so supportive and cooperative. We work here as a family, due to which I never feel that I'm thousands of miles away from my family. The work culture here is very open, and the organizational activity in the area of sports and games provides employees to maintain a good rapport with each other. As a team, we celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, which increase team spirit, coordination and bonding. I am enjoying working with this team.
I and my team have a lot of emotional attachment and a passion for this product. Thanks for Novation for giving us such a wonderful opportunity.